Hey guys, Robert here with Liquid Creation. Welcome back to the channel. I just went and picked up a sink from someone that's in very bad condition. Let me show you. Here's the sink in question, and I'm sure you can already see what the problem with it is. Look at that. Look at this. Ooh, it's in bad shape. I was asked, excuse me just a second, let me get some of this stuff out of my way so I can get this thing down. I'll tell you what, let me put the bed of my truck down here. I'll set it up there. Let me set the camera down for just a second. Hold on, guys. Damn, this thing's in bad shape. Look at this. Look at that. So if you guys want to see how you can repair a sink that's been busted like this and not have to go buy a brand new one, you're going to have to stay tuned to watch the upcoming video that I'm going to make about this sink. I think I'm going to do another start to finish, step-by-step tutorial on how I prep my sinks, how I start them from A to Z. I believe that's what I'm going to do with this sink. So that's something you guys are interested in. You're just going to have to stay tuned. I got an idea. You can hit that subscribe button down below. Let me turn this camera around real quick. Okay, I've got an idea. If you guys are interested in seeing me repair this sink that is clearly beyond repair, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below, get yourself subscribed, hit the notification bell, that way you know when the video comes out. And it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, that way you'll know what it entails on repairing a sink like this. Now, once I get it repaired, of course I'm going to epoxy it. But what I want from you guys is to let me know in the comments below what colors you want to see me do on this sink. The color that comes up more frequent than any of the rest of them are the colors I'm going to use. It'll be up to 3 colors. So, and the base, I'm going to pick the base. It's going to be black. So it's either going to be black or light gray. I'll give them 2 colors. That way I'll be able to make it a light color if that comes up more, or I'll be able to also make it a dark color. So I'll do that. I ain't gonna do white. I'll do light gray or black is gonna be my base. But what I need from you guys is to let me know in the comments below what 3 colors you would like to see done on this sink. And the colors that come up the most are the colors that I'm gonna use. Now, if nobody don't want to participate and I got to pick colors of my own, well, of course I'm going to automatically use a black base, and then I'll have to decide on what colors I'm going to do it with. I don't know what I'll do it with yet. And I'm going to go and tell you what I'm going to fix the sink with. It's called Superior Polyester. It is, I know some of you guys have seen me use it on my channel before. It's a product kind of like Bondo. Yeah, it's kind of like Bondo, but it's made for seaming granite together. So do the math. If it can seam and hold granite together, it's going to be no problem for this sink. But this sink's it's got a pretty bad crack in it. Let's look at it again. It does have a pretty bad crack in it. I apologize for the vehicles driving by. Look at this. Look at that. So if this is something you guys are interested in seeing, like I said, get yourself subscribed. I apologize for the jerkiness. Get yourself subscribed. Hit the little notification bell and select all. That way you know when this video is going to come out, because it's going to be a good one. It's going to be from start to finish. You guys let me know the colors that you want to see. The most popular colors are the ones I'm going to do. And if you guys are interested in the epoxy that I use, or I'm going to use on this, and I use on everything else for that matter, it is Wise Bond tabletop bar top epoxy. But they also have deep pour epoxy. You can pour it up to 2.5 to 3 inches thick, one pour. No kidding, you can, for real. And the way you do it is you pour it in probably 1/2 inch layers, torch it to get the little bubbles out, another 1/2 inch, torch it, so forth and so on. You get the idea. There will be a link to their website down in the description of this video, and that's in every one of my other videos. You guys click on that link. It'll take you to their website, where you'll find deep pour epoxy, bar tabletop epoxy. You'll find quick set epoxy, which that stuff comes in extremely handy when you're trying to seal something. They've got mica powders, which is mixes extremely well. And no, they're not paying me to say none of this neither. I'm devoted to them because Wise Bonds made me money through my workings in epoxy and stuff and selling it. So it's a very good epoxy, and it's hands down, I think, the best epoxy on the market so far, until somebody can prove me wrong. But once you get to their website, you'll find tools, mixing paddles, mica powder. You'll find alcohol ink. You'll find base colors, which is extremely concentrated. It's just altogether a good epoxy. Plus, on top of that, because I deal with them so much, I'm going to give you a 10% discount code as well. You go through that link, you go to their website, purchase anything, it doesn't matter what it is on their website. At checkout, you apply that 10% discount code, which is Kellogg10, Kellogg10, Kellogg10. You're going to get another 10% off of your total purchase. So that's a very good deal. Look at this sink one more time. Remember, you see how bad, what kind of condition it's in. All the way across. That tear is. If you guys want to see me repair this, what I need from you guys is to let me know down in the comments what colors you would like to see go on this sink. That's all I'm asking. And we'll go from there. So I appreciate you guys watching the videos that you do watch. One day this is going to be all I do. I don't care what it takes. YouTube is a fabulous platform. Anybody can make it on there if they're consistent. If I would have been more consistent than I am, maybe I would be up there a little higher, but I'm not. Anyway, that's neither here or there. Give it a thumbs up, please, if I've earned it. Hit the subscribe button so you'll know when I do this sink. And I would like for you guys to leave me a comment, even if it's just to say, hey, or you have a question. You may have a question on something, but leave me a comment and let me know what 3 colors you guys would like to see on this sink. The top 3 colors that are mentioned the most, that's what we're going to do on this sink. So you probably are going to have 3 or 4 or 5 days to get all the comments in. I hope that you guys come along with me on this. Give me some color ideas, because it's a nice sink. It really is. It's got the little soap dish built into it, integrated backsplash. It's going to be a good looking sink once we epoxy it. Sure is. All right, guys, I'm just babbling now. Thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, select the little all where you'll get notified when I do put this video out, and leave me a comment. All right, guys, love you guys. Peace.